Hello everyone and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the public groups in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to make sure that you have already your public groups set. So in the setup menu, we go to setup and from there, we need just to search for the public groups. So here we can click on the public groups and we can find this group. And if I go here, we can view all users and from there we can start assigning all the roles if you want. So as you can see, you can assign either users, you can assign roles, you can also assign other public groups and add them here. And basically, this is just an encapsulation to encapsulate many groups or many users and a profile into one group. And basically, when you can start, for example, if we go to the objects manager and we want to uh, add some permissions somewhere that allows or that needs to manage permissions, and we go to accounts, and from here we need just to search for example, for the object access. We can see here the permission sets and also the permission sets group and also the profile. So basically it depends on your public group. You can add your permissions to it. So for example, we can go to our home and then we can go, for example, to our cases, and from here we go to cases, and basically we need to search for our case, and from the case we can find also the sharing features, and basically we need just to sharing, and if we go to share we can start searching for our group, public group, and then you can add the group that you have. So here I have my public group, then you can share with all this group this information or this case. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.